राष्ट्रपति द्रौपदी मुर्मू ने समुद्र में भारतीय नौसेना के परिचालन प्रदर्शन को देखा। मुर्मू स्वदेशी एयरक्राफ्ट कैरियर INS विक्रांत पर गईं और भारतीय फाइटर जेट में भी सवार हुईं। ये राष्ट्रपति द्रौपदी मुर्मू की समुद्र में भारतीय नौसेना के जहाजों के साथ पहला अनुभव था। इस दौरान उन्हें भारतीय नौसेना की भूमिका, चार्टर और संचालन की अवधारणा के बारे में भी जानकारी दी गई। राष्ट्रपति मुर्मू ने इस दौरान कई नौसैनिक अभियानों को देखा।
I am glad to meet the men and women in whites of Indian Navy Western Naval Command today. I am impressed to see our vibrant and energetic naval warriors who are committed to safeguard the country's maritime interests. Earlier, I had witnessed Navy's combat prowess during the Navy Day operational demonstration at Visakhapatnam in December 2022. Today, sailing with you in a combat formation on board India's indigenous aircraft carrier INS Vikrant is indeed a unique experience.
इस दौरान INS विक्रांत को गोवा के समुद्र में उतारा गया। INS विक्रांत यहां भारतीय नौसेना के 15 अग्रिम पंक्ति के वॉरशिप और सबमरीन के साथ मौजूद था। इस मौके पर नौसेना प्रमुख ने भी संबोधित किया।
It is therefore a matter of pride for all of us that India is one of the only 6 nations in the world and the only non-P5 countries to build and operate both the SSBNs and aircraft carriers of its own. Ma'am, as you would know, the world is in a state of flux today, and nowhere is it more apparent than in the maritime domain, where competition, contestation and conflict in some areas question the time-tested tenets of cooperation, collaboration and convergence, which countries like India aim to establish to ensure security and growth for all in the region. The Indian Navy, as the principal manifestation of India's maritime power, we have responded through sustained operations at sea. These ships, which proudly sail in formation today, are part of the Indian Navy's sword arm, the Western Fleet, which, under the operational control of the Western Naval Command, has been at the forefront of operations in the Arabian Sea and the Indian Ocean region, specifically in the southwest Indian Ocean region for the last 1 year. Like I said, in the Western IOR, our units have saved more than 400 lives and safely escorted over 84 lakh metric tons of cargo, amounting to more than $4.1 billion US.
श्रेष्ठ उत्तराखंड पर खबरों से जुड़े रहने के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब और लाइक करें, बेल आइकन दबाएं और देखते रहें श्रेष्ठ उत्तराखंड।